Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Cardano cryptocurrency in the Revolut app. So first of all, you have to go to the wealth section. Here you can find different options. There are stocks, crypto, commodities, vaults. You go to the crypto section and here you gotta tap on the invest button, and here you can see some of the available cryptos, but to see all of them you can choose discover all crypto or see all. It's the same thing, see all. And here are all the these are not all of them. Why discover all crypto? Yeah, here are all the available cryptocurrencies, and here is Cardano. You click on the crypto that you chose, then go to buy, and here you have two options. You can either type in the amount of cryptocurrency, in this case Cardano, that you want to purchase, or you can choose the amount of money that you want to change for this cryptocurrency. So for example, I go and buy for 10 RON. RON is the Romanian currency, Romanian lei. Yeah, and go buy Cardano. Here are all the informations regarding this transaction. I would suggest to read them when you buy cryptocurrency. I already read it, so I won't read it now. Yeah, here is the price. Here is the cost for this amount. This is a fee, and you will receive this amount. That's it. Confirm order, and I just bought some Cardano. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please consider subscribing, it would help a lot, and don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me.